Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. We have started a new series, Crack SEBI Grade A. This series is very important for your upcoming SEBI Grade A 2024 examination. And this is lecture 1. In lecture 1, we are going to discuss the MCQs on Six Sigma. Six Sigma is the part of costing syllabus, and this topic is very important for phase 1 and phase 2 both the examination. The first question is, what is the primary objective of the define phase in Six Sigma DMAC process? First, you have to know what is DMAC. It is define, measure, analyze, improve and control. You have to remember this cycle. Direct question can be asked from this cycle. The answer here is D, to clearly define the problem, scope and the goals of the project. Define is the first stage. So at this stage you have to connect to the stakeholders, you have to know their requirements and you have to clearly define the goals of the problem. Also you have to understand the project boundaries and what will be the process flow. Without understanding of these, you cannot make your project successful. So this is the foundational step and this is very important. Educare offer course for SEBI Grade A Paper 2. It is a MCQ course. In this course, you will get topic by MCQs. All the MCQs will have a detailed explanation. 4000 plus MCQs will be covered. And for important chapters, live session will be covered. The price for this course is 1499. You can visit our website and subscribe for this course. Or you can call on this number for any doubt or any clarification. The next question is, which of the following best describes the role of a Six Sigma green belt? In Six Sigma, we have white belt, we have yellow belt, we have green belt, we have black belt and we have master black belt. So you have to remember all these things and their responsibility. The answer here is work under the guidance of black belt to implement improvement in the area of their expertise. Mostly the green belt person will be the employee in a company and they have to get training and DMAC and they have to implement the improvement of their expertise. So this is the function of green belt. They cannot work independently. They have to work always under the guidance of black belt. So this you have to remember. It is very important. The next question is, in the context of Six Sigma, the process capability index measures. The answer is the variability of the process compared to its specification limit. Basically, it is a statistical tool which tells us how well a process can produce output within the specification limit. If the CPK value is higher, which means it is less likely to get the defective product. So you have to remember this. This is very important. In an exam, the question can be asked, what if the CPK value is higher? What if the CPK value is lower? So all these things you have to remember. The next question is, which statement best distinguishes Six Sigma from lean methodology? The answer here is B. Lean aims to eliminate waste while Six Sigma focuses on reducing variability and improving quality. Basically, both methods are used to improve the efficiency, but both work differently. Six Sigma uses a statistical technique to identify and reduce variable complements, while lean focuses on waste reduction. So you have to remember, in an exam, direct definition can be asked or difference between these two can be asked. The next question is, during the analyze phase of DMAC, a Six Sigma team is most likely to use which of the following tools? The answer here is cause and effect diagram. During the analyze phase, team try to do the root cause analysis of the problem and they try to establish the relationship between cause and effect. Basically, the problem can be related to main, machine, material, methods, environment and measurement. So all these things they analyze and they see what is affecting and why the problem is happening. This is also called as fishbone diagram. So this can be asked in the examination. You have to remember the name as well as how the process works. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you and happy learning.